Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, April 27th. Hope you guys have a great morning so far today. Kind of light day today. We got nothing on the economic calendar. We will have some big events going on this week. On the corporate earnings reports, we got some of the big tech companies are releasing their reports, from Microsoft to Alphabet to uh, Amazon. A bunch of those companies are going to be releasing their corporate earnings reports, so that will have a major impact on the stocks index. We will also have the PC, which is the Fed's favorite gauge for inflation, which we don't expect to be too much of a uh, uh, too much information on there, primarily because if anything, we're expecting it to drop due to the coronavirus, and really there's no pressures on pricing. And then we also got the Innis jobless claims that we get every Thursday, which will be a big one because will give us kind of a prelude to the jobs reports being released probably next week. I think those will be out next week. And then we also have the Fed meeting going on this week. The FOMC will be starting their two-day meeting starting tomorrow, and then give their announcement on Wednesday. Again, with everything going on, we don't expect a whole lot. They will be listening to what they say, but we don't expect, of course, any rate changes of that nature. So let's move on and see what's going on with the headline news. Stocks are up so far this morning. They are kind of watching the oil prices. They did kind of dip down a bit. They're down to about 12, between 12 and 13 bucks a barrel right now. So that is a little bit of a concern. That's what kind of dragged the stock market down last week. Uh, but what's kind of bringing it up a little bit is parts of the world, countries kind of reopening their economies. We here in the U.S. we have a few states also reopening, and some states creating plans to reopen. So those are kind of creating some optimism that's out there. Of course, the concern is it too soon to reopen? So you got kind of a 50-50 sentiment there, where 50% of the people basically feel it's too soon, and the other 50% basically want to get out there. So let's kind of jump ahead here and see what's going on with the bond market. Bond market's down about 11 basis points. So we were up for a good portion of the day on Friday, and down slightly, about negative 2 basis points. So that combination of yet last week's move in it without any price changes, and today, I would say lenders will be pricing for the worst today. So we won't see that price will be a little bit worse today compared to what we saw on Friday. Yields are up a little bit to about 0.65. Now, if you notice on both of these, we got the 25-day moving average working its way upwards. So we're getting to a point where we're going to get squeezed here, where we have to go to either break above this ceiling, which has been pretty tough, and we've been kind of this sideways pattern for a while, or break below this. Now, the Fed has been propping us up with the mortgage-backed securities, even though they have been dipping in their purchases of late. But we'll have to kind of wait and see how this translates, to see if this keeps propping up further and further up this ladder here. Same thing with yields. So yields got their 25-day moving average. It might force itself down further, or maybe it breaks above it. We'll have to kind of wait and see what we get here. So that's pretty much it. Rates are a little bit worse today from what we saw on Friday. If you guys are in California looking to buy a refinance, please reach out. You can either direct message me or email me. The information's in red on this screen. Also, I'm going to put in the description box a place where you can, if you're wanting to go, just go ahead. There's a link on there. You can click on there and start putting your information in there, and then we can reach back out to you guys and talk about what you guys are looking to do and how we can further assist you guys in getting you purchase or refinance taken care of. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.